These little ducklings stand absolutely still in the rain. Looks strange, but it's a natural instinct to conserve body heat. This building is on fire, but don't worry, it's a drill to test out these firefighter drones. This kid had 25 seconds to make 4 shots for $10,000, and he absolutely delivered. This girl is only 18 years old, but she's over 7 feet tall, and she completely dominates the competition. This is Patrick the orangutan, and it's his 34th birthday. Here he is double knotting his gifted royal cloak from the Richmond Zoo.